My name is Jason Rory. I'm the president of Elevated Technologies. We're a managed service provider and a cloud provider. We service kind of the small, medium business. Private cloud infrastructure kind of supports companies, in a couple different ways. I mean, we have, our what we call the full cloud infrastructure, where we can take a business and migrate all their in-house systems into our cloud, where they're protected and available and secure. Then we also have a hybrid cloud infrastructure where the customer may still have some systems inside their office, but then also have some systems in our private cloud, and then we can tie the two together, for access. We're using solutions like Veeam. We're able to protect their data and to make sure that they don't have any issues, guarantee certain recovery time. With the previous solution, it was an agent install that had to be installed on each virtual machine in our data center, which would require a reboot. And then of course, if you have to take down a customer's system, typically that will affect your SLA. So we started looking for a different solution. Veeam is this agentless, so we can add VMs to the backup rotation, and there's no effect on that virtual machine, so it's kind of transparent to the client. So they keep working, no reboots, no issues. The solution that we had prior to Veeam, it was really lacking from a reporting, and kind of a status standpoint. The error messages were very cryptic. If backups were to fail, the reporting rarely ever worked. So it was just an issue kind of knowing that our cloud was protected. We chose Veeam because the reporting and the error messages were very straightforward. The support was great. We knew exactly what was happening in our data centers, as far as the data protection with backup and replication, and it really just allowed us to kind of sleep better at night. You don't really have to go out and actually install anything on the customer's virtual machines. I mean, everything is kind of handled through, the Veeam console. So if you were to bring a new customer in and, they had, one or multiple virtual machines to run in our cloud, we would just simply add those machines into the backup rotation through the Veeam console, and then they just start being backed up. So again, there's just really no effect on the customer system. The ability to do the backup, the replication, being agentless with a great reporting, and the price point. They all kind of came together to really kind of formulate the perfect solution for us.